I'm Sarita and I work for Tuwharetoa Health and I'm a senior support worker.
My name's Rebecca. I have 2 children and live in Taupo.
Hi, I'm Hannah Ransfield and I've been working with Tuwharetoa Health since 2008 as a senior support worker.
I wanted to become a support worker to look after our elderly, just look after them the same way they used to look after us.
I became a support worker because I was mowing lawns for an older lady and at the time there was a nurse there going to visit and making sure she was okay, and she said that this older woman needed support, and the older lady goes, I don't want a support worker unless it's the lady who mows my lawn. And yeah, I was told to become a support worker, which I did, and yeah, it was great.
My most memorable will be I had a client who was palliative care and she wanted me to put some makeup on her, and so I did. And then once I was finished I gave her the mirror and the first thing she said was, I look hot.
But seeing the look on the old lady's face when I was walking up her driveway.
My most memorable experience was just the other day, and I was with my client and another support worker, and she told us that she wanted me, when she went under palliative care, to be her support worker. That was pretty cool.
Going into this lady's house and she took one look at me and said, I doubt if you'll last the week. And I ended up being her support worker for 7 years.
There is no normal day, everything is different. Every day is different. And it's great. You're not doing the same thing every day. It's really good.
For anyone that was thinking about becoming a support worker, I'd say do it. It's fun and very fulfilling.
If I was talking to someone about being a support worker, I'd tell them to go for it. It's a great job. You meet lovely people and it's rewarding.
What motivated me to become a support worker was one time me and my sister, we went to my nana's retirement village and we took her up to where they have lunch, and there was all these elderly men and women sitting around having lunch on their own, and I felt real upset and thought maybe they were lonely, and I didn't like that. And then I thought, well, because by then I didn't know what I wanted to be or what I wanted to do, and that was the moment that I realised that I wanted to be a support worker for the elderly, so they had someone there for them.